What's up, gang?
What's up, bro? You know?
Good. Ricky, nice to meet you. You're Brian?
Brian, yeah.
Brian, that's what. So this is her. What's done to the Mustang? This shit sounds mean as hell, boy.
Right.
I'm gonna cut.
Headers, E85.
Headers in E85?
Yeah.
Headers E85 in a tune?
Tuned by Tricky.
Something about Tricky? I heard he's good. I heard he's like pushy these bitches right here.
Yeah, they do.
They do? Let me see that hood, boy. See if it's nitrous assisted or not.
It is, bro.
It is?
Just funny.
What year is this?
22.
Got that brand spanking new. Well, it's not nitrous out there. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't believe you for a second.
What?
What headers do you have on this bitch?
Texas Speed.
Texas Speed? Okay. I'm excited.
Sure.
Because you said you beat Giovanni, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but how much?
Well, he's 40 roll.
Yeah.
We didn't even get to 110 and he braked.
Oh,
and
shit.
he don't want to give me my 50.
He didn't want to give you a 50? You guys have the same gearing, though.
Do
No?
we?
Yeah, because you guys are both 10 speeds.
No, we come in 3 different gears. 373s, 315s, and 355s.
Yeah, Chris was telling me you want to do 50s.
Yeah. I can't do 40s. 40s, I'm like a 4,000 RPMs.
Really?
Yeah, my shit ships all the way to 75,000.
Downshift then. What the fuck?
I can't.
Yes, you can, bro.
No, I gotta go all the way to 30 and then downshift to first and then push it all the way to 40.
I said we do this. I said we do 40. I said we do a 50.
40, 50, and 60.
40, yeah, we can do that. Who's that? Is he racing us too? No, come over here. Same thing.
Same thing, tuned by Ortiz.
Ortiz, different tuner? Who's he? What's his name? What's up, dog? What's your name?
Andres.
Andres, Ricky, nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
So what's done to your Stang?
Nah, mine's just a bolt on tune.
He said you're the same thing as his, just different tuner.
Yeah, different tune, different gears, that's it.
Different. Are you still a 10 speed or 6 speed?
Yeah, 10 speed.
10 speed? What year is this?
22.
I say we do 3 lane.
3 lane.
I'm down.
Yeah, fuck it.
I'm down. Gotta air that shit down a little bit. It's like
to the Porsche.
It's a 4-cylinder turbo with a flash tune. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Tuned on 91. It's a flash tune though. It's not like a custom tune. It's automatic. It's PDK. It has like 7 gears. That's it. But yeah, it's a cheap Porsche. It's a cheap one.
It's a cheap one.
I couldn't afford the nice one, bro. I gotta get this whole down. I usually run like 33 psi, but this bitch.
35, bro.
You run on 35?
Yeah.
What tires do you have on the back?
265.
255. How do you not spin?
I guess I don't make that much power.
You're lying, boy. How much is that? Like 500 wheel with all the shit you got done?
Like 480 maybe.
480?
Yeah. 120.
Yeah, 40, 120.
130.
120.
130.
Well, let's go 40, 120. Oh, you're putting a 360 on that, huh?
Oh shit.
Damn, this nigga's ready to gap us. I ain't gonna lie. Excited, bro. I ain't gonna lie, nigga. I'm worried as hell, boy. Good as shit. How much is that whole setup?
Just about like $500 with the setup, the whole setup.
Damn. What are your thoughts? Who do you think got it?
Yeah, he was telling me that you ran another Mustang that has my gearings and you guys are pretty much doors, but I don't know what's done to that other Mustang.
That's not pretty much stock. You guys got headers. You guys got intake. The thing is a flash tune and a 4-banger. You got a 4-banger with a turbo. I think you guys are gonna be like on top of me for like a fender or two. Shit. Y'all ready or what?
Shit, I'm ready.
Y'all ready? So I'm just following one of you guys and then.
I gotta wait.
Yeah, you gotta wait. There's nothing in that shit though. You ain't gotta wait, boy. I got the. Oh damn, this color's sick as fuck. What the fuck? It's like purplish. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of scared. I'm hella scared. You got middle lane, right?
Alright, I'll get middle lane.
I'm gonna follow y'all. Yeah, guys, we got a race between 2 10-speed Mustangs, both on E85, both tuned. I am scared as shit.
Huge shout out to the stunt drivers that were put in our place, and huge shout out to the boys for letting them use their cars as well. Again, this is a CGI edited video. None of this is actually real, and of course the setting in this video is Mexico. Just to let you guys know, a little legal disclaimer, and of course